When putting in a new rear sway bar and end links, what should I use, jack stands or ramps? I heard the bolts should be torqued with the suspension loaded with the weight of the vehicle. Yeah, so you could use jack stands, but ramps are going to be best because they're going to simulate the car being on its own weight. You don't want the rear of the car too high, so even if you can put the car on the ground and crawl underneath it to tighten everything, that's ideal. But you could put like a couple 2x4s, so you'd raise it like maybe 3 inches if that gives you that space you need to get under the car. There are those like friendly, flaps, automotive parts store ramps, those plastic ones, and I think those probably raise it a good 8 to 10 inches, and that's also going to work. But you want to, ideally, it's with the weight, the car sitting on the ground. Now you could try using jack stands, say like underneath the ball joint. So you would basically set the car down on its own weight, and the control arm outboard would be applying its weight to the jack stands. That would also work, but again, you're going to be tilted up pretty high. But all of that's still better than tightening it with the suspension full droop.